Hey there folks, and welcome to another video from Golden Rule where we care about your comfort. I'm Bobby Johnson, your friendly neighborhood HVAC expert. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's near and dear to our hearts, avoiding those pesky HVAC scams. So grab a seat and let's get started. Imagine a sweltering summer day and your AC decides to take a vacation right when you need it most. You call in a technician hoping for a quick fix, but here's the thing, some folks out there are less than honest when it comes to HVAC repairs. They might try to pull a fast one on you with tactics like overcharging for simple fixes, or convincing you that your unit needs a complete overhaul when it's just a minor hiccup. But fear not, my friends, we are here to help you spot those red flags. If a technician is rushing you into decisions, can't provide proper credentials, or is just plain vague about what's going on with your system, it might be time to show them the door. So how can you avoid falling victim to these scams? It's simple, really. First off, do your homework. Take a peek at some online reviews, research a few different companies before making any decisions, and don't forget to ask plenty of questions. A trustworthy technician will be more than happy to chat about all the things that are going on with your HVAC system. Speaking of scams to watch out for, have you heard of this Freon flim flam? Some technicians might try to convince you that your system needs a Freon top off, even if it's running just fine. But don't fall for it, folks. And don't fall for a sales rep trying to rush you into decisions or scare you into forking out cash in a hurry. Take time to understand what they're offering and what options are included or added to your package. Here at Golden Rule, we believe in keeping things simple and straightforward. So there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll be ready to tackle HVAC issues like a pro. And remember, if you ever need a hand, Golden Rule is just a phone call away. Until next time, stay cool and comfortable. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.